FreeForm planning enables you to deploy an application with no dimension requirements. The open dimensional solution allows you to create an application with a cube that follows a dimension combination required by your organization. Service administrators can create FreeForm planning applications by importing an Essbase outline file or migration snapshot of a single Essbase cube from an on-premises deployment release 11.1.2.400, creating a BSO hybrid cube in the application wizard, creating a reporting or ASO cube in the application wizard. You can model and build your own hybrid BSO or ASO cube while preserving the ability to leverage planning functionalities. I'll go through the process of creating FreeForm planning apps with a reporting ASO cube. FreeForm planning is available in EPM Enterprise Cloud Service. An EPM Cloud Service instance allows you to deploy one FreeForm planning application. To deploy another FreeForm application, you must request another EPM Cloud Service instance or remove the current application. From the EPM Enterprise Cloud Service landing page, select Planning. The Planning landing page displays your business process options. I'll create a FreeForm planning app with a reporting ASO cube using the application wizard. Make sure to select Reporting ASO cube as the application setup and enter a cube name. Select Enabled if you want the application wizard to create default dimensions for you: account, entity, and period. I'll create default dimensions using Classic Dimension Editor later. If necessary, return to the previous page to make changes. Then, click Create. The application creation status is displayed. The process may take a few minutes. When completed, you'll see an application created successfully message. The planning homepage is displayed. Let's take a look at the application definition, cubes, and dimensions. Here are the planning properties and statistics. The ASO cube I created with no dimensions created. Let's take a look at cube details. Since I did not select to enable dimensions, none were created with the application. You can create custom dimensions and members on this tab. Learn how to add dimensions and members by following the steps in the Managing Dimensions in Planning hands-on tutorial. For default dimensions, such as account, entity, and period, you must create them in Classic Dimension Editor. Optionally, select your cube. Click Add Dimension. I'll add the period default dimension. Select if it is a custom, account, entity, or period dimension type. Set other properties, then click Save. You can continue to create default or custom dimensions here, or create custom dimensions on the Simplified Dimension Editor. I added a few more dimensions and members into my FreeForm planning application. After changing your metadata structure, refresh the database. Like a custom or module-based planning business process, you can load data and create artifacts to help you analyze and work on your plans. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.